Make the ground shake. Second chip, second loaded chip. Just had a spot of lunch, coffee. Just getting back up. Day 2. This is what we got to finish off and then get all the timber out. Only the 2 of us here today. Shouldn't be a bad day, hopefully. Once we've done all the chipping, we're going to get the skid steer and the trailer and get all this timber out. Nice one. Well, you get the idea. I better get tidying up. just put the chipper away as well. Oh. It's a nice sound. Right, that was a good job done. We've done the willows. I'll add some pictures, some after pictures in the end of the video. Time is now, it's 7:30 at night. We've got back to the yard with a skid steer and a bit of brush, a bit of rakings up we won't want to put through the chipper. To do well, we had 7 loads of timber out on my 14-foot Ivor Williams trailer, and the skid steer moved it all. Done really well, that machine. Well worth the investment. Yeah, so the reason we removed them trees is for insurance. The bungalow, the other side of the fence, had got subsidence issues. They got in contact with their insurance company, NFU, I think it was. I might be wrong. They sent their inspectors out, did a survey or whatever they do, and decided the trees needed to come out. That's what was causing the problem. So we had that report back, and we were also in a conservation area. So of course we had to apply for permission from the local council. That was all approved. We had to submit the forms and everything. It's a shame to have the trees down, really. They were nice trees, but planted in the wrong place, or I would imagine the size of them, the bungalow was planted in the wrong place. Yeah, that was about it. Hope you enjoyed the video. I don't know which part. Well, now I've said that, it'll be the end of the video I've just added. I'll add this clip into. Yeah, a little bit of drone footage on the first day. The lad that was doing the drone flying decided the tree work wasn't for him, so didn't turn up on today. Messaged me last night about R8, said it wasn't for him, but fair enough. So we didn't get any drone footage of us getting the timber down or the timber out, unfortunately. I think it might be time to invest in a drone, because he got some good shots. Yeah, another video done. We'll get unloaded and get home and have some dinner, I think. Thanks for watching.